Welcome back. Chetan Dessai has challenged Dayanand Narvekar to prove all allegation of misappropriation leveled against him during his tenure in the GCA. He has vowed to quit the investigating committee if Narvekar comes out with evidence. Meanwhile, Rohan Khaute has handed over all documents related to GCA and its academy to the two-member investigating committee.
Porvory MLA Rohan Khaute has questioned Narvekar whether GCA is an autonomous body or a government run, as it is registered with the RCS.
But surprisingly, comments like government permission lagna, हे तो कोणा फटयता हांव नकळो कित्याक it is something which he has to understand if he is confused. GCA, he has to tell whether it's an autonomous body or whether it is a part of the government. Education departmentan तो ground Infotechak दिल्लो corporationak for development. Infotechan 10 दिसान under a separate MOU GCA handover केला. I would like to ask whether any NOC from education department was taken for handing over this कित्याक Infotechak developmentak दिल्लो lease आणि sublease करपाक दिवना आशिल्लो.
Rohan handed over the documents regarding GCA to Chetan Dessai.
प्रसाद फातर्पेकर जो सेक्रेटरी जावन आसा ताज्या संदर्भात जे पेपर्स आमी एकठांय केले हांवें regarding the frauds, irregularities, regarding the construction of the building, the estimations, measurements, and related issues of GCA. I have handed it over to Chetan Bab.
Meanwhile, Chetan has refuted all allegations of Narvekar.
Even if he feels that during my time there was anything, he can bring those valid documents and I will resign from the committee the very next moment. What he says was that the ground, they lock it for security purpose. 20-25 वर्सां आतां जिमखानाचेर आमी कॅम्प घेतला, बायलांचो कॅम्प घेतला. केन्नाच अशें सेक्युरिटी प्रॉब्लेम जावं ना आनी ह्या 3-4 दिसांनी कित्याक जालां तें म्हाका खबर ना.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
A woman has been found dead at Chimbal Bypass Road. Goa police recovered dead body of an unknown woman near Chimbal Bypass on Friday. The body is highly decomposed. Though there is suspicion of murder, police say the reason behind the death would be known only after post-mortem examination.
Goa police recovered a dead body of unknown woman inside the bushes near Chimbal Bypass Road on Friday. Police have recovered some documents, clothes, wallet and a SIM card near the dead body. Police sources say foul play cannot be ruled out. The reason of death would be known only after the post-mortem examination. After conducting an inquest Panchanama, police have sent the body to GMC for post-mortem examination.
The unknown body appears to be of a female, and since the body is nude, right now there exists a suspicion. But unless we do post-mortem and all, we may not able to come to conclusion. Since body is more than 8 to 10 days old, highly decomposed, and it becomes very difficult. But we found clothes, pair of chappal and one wallet, and there are some visiting cards and some document including one SIM card in the wallet. Based on that we may able to work out something.
म्हाका दिसता ती मर्डर बीन जाले आसतली कित्याक हांगा रातचे भुरगे बीन हांगा मोटरसायकल घेवन बसलेले आसता आनी ह्यो होपट्यो इलिगल हांगा कित्याक ह्यो मातश्यो काडून उडोवच्यो कित्याक त्या होपट्यांचो फायदो घेतलो आसतलो तेंच्यांनी ही मर्डर जावपाक.
Our video journalist Sushant Par with Rohan D'Acosta.
Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza has observed that development by Kunkoli municipality did not happen according to the wishes of the people. D'Souza along with Kunkoli MLA Rajan Naik paid first visit to Kunkoli municipality on Friday.
Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza paid first visit to Kunkoli municipality. He held meeting with the council members regarding development and people's problems. He further carried out inspection of projects like community hall, parking area and garbage segregation plant. D'Souza has accused the council members of negligence.
हांव चॅक करपाक येयला बाबा पयली बेटी म्हाजी. आय एम नथींग अगेन्स्ट एनीबडी. हांव कोणाचे विरुद्ध ना. बट म्हाज्या दोळ्यांनी म्हाका पळोवपाक जाय तितकें सजवता म्हाका. दिसती पडटा तें आमी सत मानता न्हू. दिसना पळय तें सत मानपाक कठीण जाता. म्हणजे ते कितें कितें सांगताले म्हाका ऑफिसान येवन म्हटलें पळोवया. सो MLA सांगूंक लागलो म्हाका यो थोडे कावन्सिलर म्हणूंक लागले यो आनी पळय. थोडे कंप्लेनंट येयले म्हणाल पळय हांव म्हणलें जाग्यार येवन पळयता न्हू म्हाका सजमतपाक कठीण जाता आतां फुडल्या फावटी कंप्लेन येत जाल्यार म्हाका ह्या बिल्डिंगेचे म्हाका सजमतले आनी पयल्या दोळ्यांनी म्हाज्या.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
One of the residents of Sanzuzeri Ariel has alleged gross irregularities by the village panchayat. He claims that the 4,000 square meter of land earmarked for a school and a football ground has been converted into plots. He complained that Maina Kurturi police declined to file FIR against the panchayat.
Development plan, there was 5,000 square meter earmarked for the school, which is attached to my sale deed. But recently, when I wanted a plan from the panchayat for some other illegalities, I approached the village panchayat of Sanjay area, and they provided me another plan bearing the same number which is attached to my sale deed, same number and same date, but the school area is showing 1,000 square meter instead of 5,000. The other areas is made plots out of 4,000, about 10 plots.
Menino also complained that the Maina Kurtori police refused to file FIR against the village panchayat.
When I approached this Maina Kurtori police station, they told me they have written a letter to the town planning, to the developer, eminent developer, and to the panchayat. And finally, I think they got a letter from town planning and from the village panchayat. Whereas village panchayat is saying that new revised drawing has already been made, and out of 5,000 area, they made 2,000 square meter for the community center, 2,002 square meter for commercial complex, and 1,000 square meter for school. This is not the fact. This is untrue, because for commercial complex 2,002 square meter and for community center 2,000 square meter was already there in the original plan. Beside this 5,000 area, some houses are already come up there.
A reporter from Margaon, Savir Dice.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.